Good day everyone. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to use Revo Uninstaller effectively. It's a great tool and we can use it. Once you have installed it, I'll just do a double click to open and a window will appear like this where it might give you an option to download the update because in my computer it was installed way back. So I have successfully updated it and very soon we will have the Revo Uninstaller and we are going to install it again, the latest version. It says create a desktop shortcut, enable a Revo Uninstaller helper. I would not do that. I'll just uncheck that and I'll click on next. So it should not take much time. It will hardly take 2 minutes to download and install the Revo Uninstaller, and then we will get to know how we can use Revo Uninstaller effectively. So the very first thing here, the moment you install it, you will see a window like this, and from the top to bottom you will have all the softwares, whatever the programs you have installed, that will be right there. All right, so now here, whenever you want to uninstall anything, before doing that, you can always refresh the list of applications. And let's say if you want to uninstall Mozilla Firefox. So here I'll just do a right click and then we can simply click on uninstall. And before making any changes, before going to click on continue, always remember to make a system restore point before uninstall. So if you're doing for the first time, I would recommend to do the check mark, make a system restore point before uninstall. So by any chance, if anything goes wrong, you can always restore to the same point where you had your computer. So it is a very good thing to do. And I'll click on continue. And it says creating system restore point. Almost done. Analyzing and starting the program build. Now, the moment you do that, it might give you an option to uninstall itself from the Mozilla Firefox browser. So you can do that. You can simply click on uninstall from the Mozilla Firefox uninstaller. And once it is done, I'll just click on finish and now click on scanning modes. I'll click on save. I'll click on scan. Now it will scan for the files if any leftover registries are there for Mozilla Firefox. This is just an example which I'm sharing. So I'll click on select all and I'll click on delete. I'll say yes. And again, we have one more file. I'll click on select and I'll click on delete. All right, so this is how you have successfully uninstalled any application through Revo Uninstaller, and you have also made the system restore point, and we have cleaned the leftover registries as well. So you can also try that. For the free version, Uninstaller is a great thing, and there is one more thing, one more option, Windows apps. The moment you click on Windows apps, it will load the list, whatever the apps you have in the computer, and whatever you want to uninstall, you can do that by the same procedure. Now the thing is, it is up to you whether you want to create the system restore point every time or not. All right, so you can see the size and you can simply go with that installation. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial on how to use Uninstaller, the Revo Uninstaller, to uninstall any program. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.